Good cheese is a big part of a good pizza, and this one does not disappoint. This crustless pizza keeps the heat down in your kitchen. It's made in a skillet. Becky Low is sharing this easy dinner idea, and the cheese better be good because you're taking away our crust.
Absolutely. This is a low carb, so
Nice.
An excellent one. And it's delicious. You know, we eat cheese, we enjoy cheese, it's nutrient packed, but it's just delicious. And so this is a great way to get that cheesy flavor. And thanks to Pete and Michelle Olson, they're the ones that gave me the recipe.
Fantastic. Thank you, Pete and Michelle. Show us how to make this.
All right, so we begin with the crust.
Yes.
And like you said, we're not baking it, so I've got some for you. We want to put a little bit of grated Parmesan down, so I'm just going to sprinkle that into the butter.
The cheese is the crust.
The cheese is the crust.
Very cool.
Yeah. Now you do want a non-stick pan. All right, so you'll put your cheese in, and actually this is a crepe pan, which works just fine. I love it, and so you're making about a 10-inch circle with it.
Do I need a lot?
So you want all of that in there. It is the crust, and so we're going to put the whole thing down in it. Yep.
Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do.
You know, cheesy. This is a great one. And it takes about 10 pounds of milk to make 1 pound of cheese. And so,
is that true?
Yeah, it's really dense.
Oh, wow.
All right, so we're cooking it on about medium heat. At this point, if you want to have, yours is a little bit full, but I'm going to add some blue cheese to mine.
Oh.
You could put a little bit of cheddar. In fact, this recipe works best if you have more of a dry cheese. So a low moisture mozzarella would work with it. Just like any pizza, you need the sauce.
Yes.
So here's some sauce.
May I?
Okay. And it's not going to spread because we're not putting it on a bread dough crust.
So
and
I just kind of...
Yep, daub it on. And we're putting a couple of tablespoons in there.
Okay.
Okay, same thing for yours.
I don't like sauce.
Oh, okay.
I call Domino's, well, no, I mean, I don't like a lot of sauce, I should say. My Domino's order sounds like extra cheese light sauce, which says a lot about my state of health, but okay.
Okay, so we'll not put sauce on yours.
Okay.
Okay, next thing is that we want a little bit of meat, and we'll just use our fingers with this. This is sausage. You could use pepperoni.
Why isn't mine
you could,
cooking? Is mine on?
Well, yours is on, but we'll turn that up and get that going. And the nice thing is that it's not magic, so, you know, if it's not cooking, pull it back up again. It's just fine.
She says it with a giggle. It's not magic. You can
Okay, what other toppings do you want? Some olives? I want some olives on mine.
Have some mushrooms, please.
Whoa, mushrooms for you. All right. Okay, now the juicier things like fresh tomatoes, which I really love on this, or pineapple, they have a tendency to be a little bit more juicy, so we'll add those after the pizza comes off.
Okay.
Okay, we also want just a little bit of Italian seasoning, and I just sprinkle it on. It's to taste. You could put some garlic salt on there, you know, whatever you'd like. Yours really is not cooking very fast.
I'm really feeling left out of this fun.
Well, this is good because it only, I mean, no, it's not good because this is my pizza.
You're like, this is great. Mine looks fantastic. I don't know what your problem is, Walker.
So basically, it's just cooking up at this point until it's nice and golden brown with
While we wait to cook, I understand there's a holiday to be celebrated.
Absolutely. In fact, one of the reasons we're doing this is that today is World Milk Day.
Really?
Yeah. It's the Food and Agriculture Organization of the... I just forgot. Anyway, Food and Agriculture is worldwide, recognizing that worldwide the milk and the contribution it has to nutrition.
This is your favorite day of the year.
It is.
How may we celebrate?
Oh, let's do a toast.
Should we do a toast?
Okay.
Come on in here.
In fact, we've got some
Jeff,
friends.
Tiffany, Lauren.
Here's one for you.
Thank you.
And
we're toasting
all the dairy farmers that make the milk available.
Toast the dairy farmers. Toast, Jeff. Reaching across. Now who can have the best milk mustache? No, I'm just kidding. That's what everybody wants on TV. Becky, this was super fun. Recipe on our website. Anything else we need to know while we're all sipping on our cold milk?
You can see the finished product, and when it's done, you want that nice and crisp so that you can actually put a spatula underneath. So this is not quite ready with it.
All right. Thank you so much. And toast to those farmers. They do great hard work for us that we appreciate and benefit from daily.
Lift a glass.
Absolutely.